This is North Global News, bringing you breaking developments from Jonglei State. More than 1,000 opposition forces have reportedly defected in Greater Lunur, a move that could significantly alter the military and political landscape in the region. More than 1,000 fighters from the South Sudan Opposition Alliance SSOA have defected to the SPLAIO in Greater Lunur, marking a major shift in the security situation in Jonglei State. The forces, led by Brigadier General Muchtak Banong, arrived at an SPLAIO base in Akabo County.
Batu ko gwa matot ni wal hano basa kabil fam tu kayo dia ta colleagues ngai kanga an bil fam tu obasa ka military so be gien so be ben ka swa gwa tiya kama me gien ka nei ni ke sanga jandang rawi bakel si leadership ta swa ka juba de barar ke decision melar jen go ba swa ke liu ba mat kum tako nyur gwazi ni ngo sine dia jukum ko opposition what opposition agenda kayo agenda nei ko ba kum de gajube ba joyrar ban leadership de get me chawo na ka kir sine lar no sine ba mat kir ko opposition ba ko man rayo ne ngut joy ne regime de gajube kel kayo viva ka farit tanga ne me jawar gak ka gu me jel nga taka gu mikit wi kudang raw wi gendang raw wi ken ka gitalo taka kanol ka lanken kali chod nyuru ya taka kanol kel wana me ka magadamin ke junior officers
where they were formally received by Brigade 3 Commander Thorgang Lul. Sources on the ground say the defection significantly strengthens SPLAIO presence in the area and may have serious political and military implications. Authorities have not yet issued an official response.
wo chi to ma cha gor pa cha la loye chi ne gwe no cha kon te ne bi long nan kon dial bram ko gwe ka loy do bara mani ko mi lat ka na je ka cha char bram lar je o lat ka na je ba ne luy ke tan lat ka na je je chi ne lar ba khromat je pa ko luy ke lat ka na je je a jen kel mi chi ne lo long ko wo chi na ro mat kuma ka cha lat ke sa ka lo gwa ni ken a do kel ka ko banay ang wala ke je ka farid la farida ni ka shanga je boro te waname buwada hande ja gwa ni kon hande die we ja kon kel waname atame ni wala bi ka ta ka muksuliye brigade commander jorol torgang bi ga waka muksuliye de ci ga bungut ke katan teke ala soa mu yo weje tay re bi ngay orandan ci le ngot ran soa te ka soa metot mi ci dol ka ko dol ke dol diok soa mo bo ani ko kumla leadership ka jesu waname de goro ba xagn ko tiey bi ka neyti bar mat kon ke ci ka gri ko ray tala de kume mial balar kon ko objectif dan ken je roy deng de ñoko lat tam ni wale de ca ben nga gard na me ca no kuma yu ci balat tan ca goro ba jena wala ba wo wa natina an ready ko ba wo je roy deng de lat ka muksuli da ke li wala ca ko kam barge 3 ca wo finde sini bu ngot la soa kamu ngod la swa ya ko siye tene ka ambrel nang yok re konti ambrel na rew chara mare do na ambrel kel ra michel sum karwade tene ka ambrel michel FDC ka lew chang te kana wona me ke andiam te wi wona me mani de ni ke tagatin ken buno ke le chara mat do ni sum karwade ra chara mat pi me ka ken gisa slow ke le kontan jog dial jarway dong de lat kay chang wala me bane nyin kon lat kel awo nyam ani jende lat yo thank you ko chang receive ka cha ben ka kuma junub tamani wala ci talo de mi swale de kumme mi swale swa pin nyoko goron rey loka de ci do rey loka ke liwon wala e de aspela mayo talo de mi swale de swa mo rey loka de la kum junubo tele swa mo rey loka mi swale de swa de mo ngot rey loka ka de mi ta gwada golo atamani wala ke leadership ta ga
Those are the latest details on this developing story. Happy New Year to all of you, our YouTube followers and the whole world. Nath Global News continues to follow the situation closely and will bring you verified updates as more information becomes available.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on Nath Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent.
From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia,
to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined.
Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge and pride.
Uniting Africa through stories and culture.
Subscribe now to Nath Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.